should be kept in the basement. Spend my time trying to erase them. But when you hold me in the fantasy, it's so convincing. I shouldn't think the things I'm thinking, but now I've gone and let them sink in. The more that I push them away, the more that you're stuck in my brain, the more I mentally undress like an fade.
Siap.
Dev, irse punan tukang arus tukang itu rahnya.
Serga, hayangnya saya hanatar bertakuk ahlik. Be marinat, be sibinnya. Bener gula apa hutan ini tahu.
I get dirty thoughts about you. They get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell? Or are you thinking them as well? I get dirty thoughts about you. They get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell? Or are you thinking them as well? Are you thinking them as well?